Hello friends, thank you for checking out part 2 of this series. If you would like to check out part 1, link is in the description box below. We'll be working on the frame in this video. We'll start with anchoring down the Z-Max post base with Simpson strong bolt wedge anchor. After that, we'll finish up the groundwork with weed blocker fiber. Finally, we'll secure the beam and joist with the carefully selected screws and nails using various tools. Let's lock and load and get this going. Let's work on galvanized adjustable post base. This is where we're going to put the beam. It is adjustable, so the measurement did not need to be 100% accurate. Once we are done with all 20 plus bases, we'll go back and tighten it with 19mm socket. This is my very first drill I got, but for this task, hammer drill works much better. To prevent weeds from growing beneath the deck, we'll put the weed block fiber. Just in case it rained here in California, we're going to put a decking tape on all beams and joists. By the way, we are using pressure treated wood for all deck framing. At this point, I was kind of tired of playing around with the hammer, and I was ready to move on to a next chapter of this project. So I ended up getting framing nailer to complete the project quicker. But if I'm being honest, I really wanted to get the framing nailer. Perfect time to justify the purchase. 394 and half and quarter. 395. Here we are so far. As you can tell, this video is getting longer, so we're going to put pause here. There's a lot more to do, and we'll finish up this project in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know your thoughts, questions, any feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to like the video. That will help us greatly. We'll see you very soon.